everyone, and welcome back to my bedroom renovation part 24. And now I was meant to be doing some more like ornaments and stuff like that, but I kind of realised that obviously I had my birthday recently, and I got some more gadgets, so I thought why not I show them off in this part video. So yeah, I've got a few of them here, so let's get underway. Obviously, I know you've already seen them because I did a live stream on them, and there is actually one more gadget thing that I'm getting, but I'm going to explain that at the end of this video. Okay, right, we'll start off with these captures. So I've got the HD 60, the AWP-Li game, and the 4K capture card. And then I've also got these. So I've got two mats here. So this one is this one's a PlayStation one, which is kind of cool. So that is that one. I know you can't see all of it, but there you go. That's that one. And then the other one, obviously that was a bit of an early present, that one. But this one is actually the one that I did get, and this one's a pretty cool one. I actually really like it. So obviously you can see it's all black, but there's a difference, because over here we've got something new here, which I didn't even realise. So what you can do is that you can charge your phone on here, which is really cool. So you can charge your phone on there, which is amazing, isn't it? Obviously, I think I know what these ones do. Obviously, I might have to work that out, but yeah, apparently that one you can charge your phone in it, which is cool. So I like that. So yeah, that is my other keyboard. So there you go. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? That's really good. So they're just some of my gadgets, guys, that I got recently. I just thought I'd show you them. Obviously, you will be seeing these again when I do the setup and my office tour. You will be seeing these again. But I just thought I'd show you them for now, because I'm not really using them at the moment. Just because I can't. So yeah. So I know some people may be thinking, is why have I got 3 captures? Well, I'm going to tell you now. The main reason is because I know that I did explain this probably in the live stream. It's because that all 3 captures record on different consoles. So this one records on PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, but that one doesn't. That one records on different things. That one I believe does Switch and Xbox, and then that one does the old Xbox, the Xbox One X, which I have, and the Series X and the Series S and all that sort of thing. And I don't actually think that one does PlayStation 5, as far as I know. I don't think it does. I could be wrong, but I know that one does. I believe that one does both. I think that does the Switch too as well. So yeah, you can see that that all 3 of them have different values on them. So yeah, that's why I've got 3. I know that some people may be thinking that why have I got 3? It's because they're all for different consoles. That is the main reason. So yeah, that is some of my gadgets. I mean, I do really like the keyboards. I think they are I think they are really cool, actually, the keyboard mats. I do really like them. I think I do prefer that one just because of the obviously you can charge your phone on it and stuff. But I think the as I just hit my phone there. Sorry, phone. But yeah, I do really like the PlayStation one. I think that is really really good. So I'm going to explain the other gadget now. I haven't got it at the moment, so I was meant to be getting a portable monitor, So it was going to be. It's like a game. It's like a gaming one. It's like a gaming one. But I accidentally ordered the wrong one. And I was really annoyed when I did the unboxing and when I opened it. It was the wrong one. It just wasn't big enough. I thought I ordered the biggest one, but it turns out that I didn't. So what I had to do is I had to pack it all away. Yesterday, the Amazon the Amazon person came and took it away, and it's gone. And I will be getting my new one pretty soon. So it's a 27-inch portable monitor. The one that I got was a 23.8, which was too small. So I'm getting the 27 one, and I'll be getting that from next week. So as soon as this video goes out, I won't have got it yet. So that is the plan. And when I do have it, I'll be doing an unboxing. So make sure you stay around for that. Yeah, so I know that a lot of people might have been confused because I did that live stream and then I deleted it, and then I did an updated stream and then I ended up deleting that, and then I did a redo of it again. I deleted that. So I know that a lot of people might have been confused and thinking, saying, is he keeping it? Is he not keeping it? But yeah, I've now made my mind up. I've got rid of it now. It's gone. It's too small, and that is it. So you don't need to panic anymore. So eventually, when I do have it, I will be doing a live stream on it, unboxing it, and then possibly I might show it on this series. I don't know which part that will be. It might be the next part. It might be the part after that. I'm not totally sure. But I'm going to get it early. I know that obviously it's going to be no use, but I feel like that if I get it early, it might be the right option, and then I can just leave it in here. Probably just keep it in the box or something like that, and do that. So I'm going to be getting that next week. At the moment, all of the money from the old monitor that obviously, because we're getting all the money back that we received. At the moment, we don't have it yet. So it's kind of looking like it's going to be next week that I will be ordering the new one. So I know that I've got to wait for a couple of days, but yeah, it doesn't really matter because So yeah, that's what's going on there. So yeah, that is it. That is the renovation. I just thought I'd show you a few gadgets and just show you them. So I think I'll definitely be doing more ornaments in the next part. Obviously, my shelving unit over there needs finishing off, and then also my shelf up there with all my trophies and that needs finishing as well. So I'll be doing that in the next part as well. Final thing as well. I know this is not part of it, but you know my old PC. I will be saying goodbye to that because I will not be using that anymore. I've actually still got my old PC. The grey one that I had, that I used for quite a lot of years. I've decided that I will be getting rid of that one. I don't even know if I'll be selling it or I'll just be getting rid of it completely, just getting rid of it. I don't know. But I am going to do a live stream on it, and I'm going to say goodbye to it. I just thought I'd let you know, because it's just been on my mind, by the way, and obviously when it comes to doing all of my office and all of that, that PC won't be involved anymore. So I'm going to do a live stream on it. I don't know when it's going to be. The time that I'm thinking about doing it is when I've got my portable monitor. The reason why is because I can do 2 live streams, pretty much maybe on the same day, or I don't know. So I might wait for now, until I've got that, and then I can do, 2 live streams. So yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on there. Anyway, yeah, that is now the end. Yep, so that is some more of my gadgets. Yeah, so the next part is going to be filling the rest of my shelves up, yeah, just finishing them off, and yeah, that'll be in the next part. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of my captures and my keyboard mounts. Yeah, let me know what you think of them. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next part.